breakfast is the most crucial meal of the day. It sets the tone for everything that follows. Starting with a nutrient-packed breakfast empowers you to stay energized, focused, and make better decisions throughout the day. On the flip side, skipping breakfast can lead to low energy, imbalanced blood sugar levels, and even brain fog. A well-rounded morning meal can enhance concentration, reduce the risk of diabetes, manage cholesterol, and improve mood. But what are the best breakfast options? Could avocado, yogurt, or even wild salmon make the list? In this video, we'll reveal 12 of the healthiest breakfast foods to fuel your mornings for a more productive day. 1. Eggs. Eggs are a timeless breakfast staple packed with protein and heart-healthy unsaturated fats. Both the yolk and whites deliver essential vitamins and minerals. Their versatility makes them a go-to option for a satisfying and nutrient-dense start to your day. 2. Unsweetened Greek Yogurt, rich in calcium and probiotics. Plain Greek yogurt supports digestive health and boosts energy levels. Add fruits or turn it into buttermilk for a post-workout drink to promote muscle recovery. 3. Oatmeal. A comforting bowl of oatmeal provides fiber to lower cholesterol and stabilize blood sugar. Pair it with nut butter or fresh fruits for a filling, antioxidant-rich breakfast. 4. Nut butter. Nut butter, made from almonds, peanuts, or walnuts, is a protein-packed option ideal for vegetarians or vegans. Add it to smoothies, toast, or oatmeal to promote heart health and sustained energy. 5. Chia seeds. Loaded with omega-3s, fiber, and antioxidants, chia seeds are a superfood that aids digestion and promotes fullness. Sprinkle them on yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies for an extra nutritional punch. 6. Avocado. Avocado toast with tomatoes and seasoning is a powerhouse breakfast that promotes heart health and keeps you satiated. Combine it with eggs for an unbeatable nutrient duo. 7. Bananas. Bananas offer potassium, fiber, and resistant starch to boost mood and energy. They support digestive health and help regulate blood pressure, making them a versatile breakfast addition. 8. Spinach. This leafy green is rich in folate and fiber, aiding muscle health and blood circulation. Add spinach to omelets or smoothies for a nutrient boost. 9. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants and vitamins. Add them to oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies for a burst of flavor and weight loss support. 10. Sweet potatoes. Packed with nutrients and low on the glycemic index, sweet potatoes provide long-lasting energy. Pair them with eggs or other veggies for a fresh, wholesome option. 11. Black tea. Switching to black tea can enhance mental focus and energy levels. It's a simple, caffeine-packed beverage to jumpstart your day without overloading on sugar. 12. Wild salmon. Rich in omega-3s and clean protein, wild salmon is an unconventional but excellent breakfast choice. Pair it with scrambled eggs or whole grain toast for a brain-boosting meal. Wrap up a healthy breakfast is essential for a productive and energetic day. Which of these foods is your favorite? Share your breakfast tips in the comments, and don't forget to check out our videos on weight loss breakfast options and must-have superfoods for even more inspiration.